This video was recorded entirely on the Blue Yeti microphone. Hello everyone, so today is the day that I'll be upgrading my audio quality for my content on this channel. To do that, I'll be upgrading from this FIFINE microphone which I've been using for the past 2 years to make all the content that you see on this channel. The microphone that I'll be upgrading to is a Logitech Blue Yeti microphone. Timestamps and links to everything that I talk about in this video will be in the description. So if you see something that sparks your interest, then feel free to check it out. Alright, first thing first, let's unbox the Blue Yeti microphone. Logitech is known to make really good packages for its products, and this is not an exception. On the front of the box, it has the word Yeti. Beside that, it says streaming kit. After that, you have over here, you have the blue logo. Under that, you also have the Streamlabs logo. Over on the back, to the left side, you have the Logitech logo in blue. And to the right of that, you have what's inside the box, which includes 3 exclusive Streamlabs theme, a pop filter. In the middle, you have the Blue Yeti microphone and a pop filter. On the right side, you have the Logitech logo. On the left side, you pretty much have the same thing that you have on the front of the box. On the back, you have keep playing in the top left, and under that, you have the microphone. To the right of that, you have the Blue Yeti logo. And under that, you have take your stream to the ultimate level with the iconic Blue Yeti, the mic that's powered top creators for years. Under that, you have the Blue Voice logo, which states create an immersive sound experience with vocal effects, HD audio samples, and tools like EQ, compressor, and limiter. Next, you have the pop filter logo. Below that says keep your stream clean with the include pop filter. You also have Streamlabs logo, which states give your live stream a custom look with 3 exclusive downloadable Streamlabs theme. Unlock the code inside. By the way, let me know if you're lucky enough to get the code. On the top of the box, it is blank, and on the bottom it tells you what's inside the box, which is basically a microphone, a desktop stand, a pop filter, USB cable, the user manual, and the Streamlabs content download code. After that, you have where the product was made and some other small information. Now let's open the box to see what's inside. On top, you have the Streamlabs code. By the way, if you're interested in using the code, go ahead and take it. Let me know if you're lucky enough to get it. After that, we have the box, and in the box we have the USB cable, the user manual, and you guys know already around here we don't read manuals, so let's throw that away right here. After that, we have the pop filter. Then finally we have the microphone, and that's pretty much it for the box. Now let's set up this microphone. On the microphone, you have a knob for the pattern and a knob for the gain. On the other side, you have a knob for the volume and a button to mute your microphone. On the bottom of the microphone, you have a headphone port and a USB port. You also have a hole to mount your microphone on an arm if you want to mount it. Alright, if you want to put on the pop filter, just screw this all the way out and put it right here on the mic, and then screw it all the way back in until it's firmly in place. Then move the pop filter in front of the mic like this. Alright, now let's place this on my desk for now and plug in the USB cable and also plug in my headphone. And we're pretty much done with the microphone setup. Now let's plug this microphone in our computer. By the way, the right position to use this microphone is upright like this. Do not tilt the microphone. Also, when the mute button LED indicator is solid red, that means the microphone is not muted. When it's flashing red, that means the microphone is muted. Alright guys, now that the microphone is plugged in the computer, let's go over 2 softwares that you can use to get the best experience out of this microphone. Let's download the Blue Mic software. To do that, go to bluemic.com/software and download the software, then install it. Alright, so once the Blue software is installed, just open it and you will be greeted with the home screen where it will give you a message which basically say if you want the best possible experience with this microphone, you have to download the G Hub. We'll get to that after we walk through the Blue software. If you click on the Yeti that's beside the home button, you will see the microphone gain, direct monitoring, headphone level. Also, over in the top right, you will have a settings icon which you can enable or disable Blue panel. If you click on the open control panel, you can mess around with what you want your microphone input to be. By the way guys, if you try to open the software, the Blue software right here, it will give you this message right here. So basically you have to plug in your Blue mic right here. So just simply plug in your Blue mic in your computer like that and you should be good. So once you do that, you should see it come up right here and you're all set. Alright guys, with the Blue software out of the way, let's head on over to the G Hub software. Now let us install the G Hub software. So to do that, just go to this link right here, hit enter, wait for it to load up real quick, and just download for Windows 10 because we're on Windows 10. Once it's installed, it open and just follow the steps. So hit yes, hit install, wait for it to install. May take some time depending on your computer speed. Now it's unpacking and just wait for it to unpack. This graphic right here is pretty cool, by the way. The graphic in the background, well, the animation I should say, looks really good. Now it's installing, just please wait, and it is installed. So let's minimize that, get it out of the way, bring this over here. You can see it is loading up real fancy. Let's minimize this software. So I'm guessing this that we just download is like a better version of this, and you can also add more Logitech devices to this hub, but for now we just have the Logitech Blue Yeti. Decide later. Okay, hopefully it doesn't ask me to sign in or anything like that. So now it's loaded my Yeti resources. Wait for it to load. Let's just close this out for now, and while we wait for it to load up, it's loading. Alright, so now it is loaded, so just click on it like that, and now you have even more options. So you can do the input gain by software gain, not the actual physical gain on the mic, so that's good. You can record a sample of your voice. You can also enable Blue voice, which basically enhance your voice and make it sounds really good. And you can also create your own preset and stuff like that. So some of the Blue voice preset right here, if you enable it, you have like bass boost, broadcaster, classic radio, iVoice, and so on. You also have your custom presets if you decide to make those. You have effects like robot, alien voice, loud pitch, and you have so many options. And this right here is all free, guys, which is really good. You can also enable the NVIDIA broadcast if you have it. I have an NVIDIA graphics card in my computer, so yes, I could do that, but I don't think I want to do that because that's some AI software. You also have like samplers, ambient sounds, and so I'm guessing to play in your background while you're talking, and all different types of stuff. You have a lot of stuff you can do here. Alright guys, so I'm gonna let you guys hear how the patterns on the Blue Yeti microphone sound. Alright, so this is this pattern right here, and this is how that pattern sounds. Alright guys, so this is with the next pattern, and I'm going to show you how this one sounds. So this is how that pattern sounds. Alright guys, so this might be my favorite one right here. So this is how this pattern sounds, and I believe if I talk by the sides you won't hear me that much, but if I talk like right in front, you'll hear me loud and clear. And last but not least, we have this infinity pattern right here, kind of like infinity sign, and this is how that pattern sounds. Let me know if you like this pattern. Let me know in the comment section which pattern you like the most. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna do a blindfold microphone test between my 2-year-old microphone, which is the FIFINE microphone, and my recent microphone which I just got, which is the Blue Yeti microphone, the one this video is all about. and you guys gonna comment down below which one you think is the Blue Yeti or which one you think is the FIFINE microphone, and I'll tell you guys the right answer at the end of the video, so stick around for that. So here is the first audio. Alright guys, so this is audio 1. Comment down below and let me know which microphone you think this is. Alright guys, so this is audio 2. Comment down below and let me know which microphone you think this is. So here's my final thoughts guys. The Blue Yeti microphone is a really good microphone to get if you're just starting out to make content. You get softwares to back it. You can do so much with the software. You can enhance your voice to sound really good in the software, while with a budget microphone you don't get those software to enhance your voice, so you basically get what you get with the budget microphone. So whatever the microphone sounds like outside of the box, that's how it's gonna sound. You can adjust the gain, but you're not gonna really get much by adjusting the gain. But with the Blue Yeti microphone, you can adjust patterns, you can go inside the software and change the EQ and so many stuff like that. So the Blue Yeti mic is definitely a go-to mic if you're just starting out to make content. But that's pretty much it for this video guys. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. By the way, if you're wondering, the results are audio 1 was the Blue Yeti microphone and audio 2 was a FIFINE microphone. Let me know which one sounded better in the comment section. Also check this video out where I talk more about this laptop that I'm using. Peace.